Welcome, option traders. This is the Waves of Profit daily reviews of profit-making trades for May 18th, 2015. I'm Scott Patton. Joining us is Alan Maxwell. Our philosophy is make 10% in 10 minutes. If you can do that 4 times a week, 4 weeks a month, 10 or 11 months of the year, which means you're not trading the other times, not that you're not making a profit. What would your life be like? And all we're doing in this video is showing you there were opportunities where you could make it. You can then find the time, you can see the time, you can see the day, you can see the stock, you can check it out for yourself. And we're hoping that you will take one of our 3 courses or more courses that we've got, which will be in the description below, or you'll go to wavesofprofit.com and get this wonderful software that we're showing you. Sorry, there's no hyping. We're just looking for a few serious traders that want to make money and tell people that they're doing it. So hopefully that'll be you. And with that, I want to welcome Alan to our Hangout. Hey, Alan, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you, Scott?
I'm doing wonderful. I'm really excited to see what happened on the 18th.
Yeah, well, I have a few trades here to look at, and somebody was asking me some questions about, well, because there's a number of people that watch these that have taken our courses, and they use these Hangouts as additional training, and I thought that's actually brilliant, because these are like case studies with, real data, real... Yes. Stocks, it's like, yeah, this is it. So we've got here a day loaded. As you can see, it's using the replay because it's just easier to manipulate when we're doing demonstrations. It's the same data as the live market. I'm actually playing it in the 10 seconds is 10 seconds mode, not high speed like we typically do. So you can see that this trade's doing well, and the volume's kicking up. But on here, it says you should be looking at green, and it says you should be careful about what trades you're getting into right now because things aren't fabulous. So we got into this trade. I'm just going to hit the stop button here and do like I would normally do with the replay. So I'm going to go forward just another minute. So we got into this one at 9:38, and let's see what happens. Okay, so by 9:41, and the time's up there, it already made more than 12% because it would have peaked up there and came back down if you were, playing it like the live market. So I'm going to hit sell now. Just, say, okay, thanks for that. Here's another trade that came up at GMCR. And what's interesting, we've seen this before, of course. It's, what is it kind of day is it? It's mixed, it's weak. That's what that's telling us right there. We don't have to do a bunch of calculations. We just go, oh, it's like that, huh? Okay. So I could buy a red one and a green one. In this case, it turned out to be at the exact same moment. And so I already hit the buy on the put, and I'm moving forward 1 minute, 2. So there's my 10%. Do I want to hang around for more? No. If I can get 10% in 2 minutes, I'm done. And then the last one I wanted to point out is this is after the 9:45 time period. So it broke and it was ready to go. So I clicked the buy button at 9:46. So let's see what happens if I go forward 1 minute, 2, 3, and that's enough. And yeah, it probably keeps going, but I don't want to figure it out, especially on these weak, cloudy kind of things. I really want to take my short profits. I don't expect any long ones. So I hit the sell, and the summary, Goldman Sachs is 3 minutes, 11%. GMCR is 2 minutes, 10%. And CBI was 3 minutes, 10%. And that was it. And this was a Monday. So, it doesn't, there's rumors going around that, well, Fridays are bad and, all this other stuff. It's like, yeah, there's always trades, almost always. And as Stephen has mentioned in another set of videos, is he's never found a day where there wasn't something to trade. And some days, and we're due for another one soon, is you can buy almost anything and make money. Those are the easiest trading days you'll ever get.
And you don't get those days if you're not in the game.
Yeah. If you don't know what you're doing, it's like, well, there goes another one.
That's right. Great. Thank you very much, Alan. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. You can subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our episodes. Just in the bottom right-hand corner. Thanks for joining us.